This is Total Telecom TV with Simon Dodsworth of TeliaSonera International Carrier. Simon, you sponsored the Innovation Award for Carriers at tonight's WCAs. Why did you do that?
Well, it's really important for us. We've put customer centricity at the heart of our business, but it doesn't really end there. We're seeing in our increasingly connected world a real blurring between the previous boundaries of B2B and B2C. As a top 2 global internet backbone, we carry 13 terabits per second of data traffic, as well as 1 billion minutes per month of voice business. I mean, we are supporting online industries and indeed lives. And this is a heavy responsibility, but to really make sure that we live up to that responsibility to meet the standards that we set for ourselves and our customers expect of us, we obviously need the support of vendors who can make sure that we can meet these challenges and expectations of our customers. So, it's important to recognise that vendors play a vital role in our ecosystem, and obviously we're very proud to sponsor the award accordingly.
Yes, you see you have an awesome responsibility. What do you see are the challenges in 2016 for these international carriers?
I think there are 2 main challenges ahead of us. One is the continued evolution of the service wrap, and the second is the ongoing explosive growth of global data traffic. In the first instance, we're at a very transitional point in time, and operators are finding it very increasingly difficult to transition from legacy telco IT systems into an infrastructure that's going to allow them to support a very flexible and changing environment. So, for some it's almost a Sisyphean task to make that jump. And that means that the responsibilities are changing. The whole ecosystem has to combine to be able to give the customer exactly what they need as their requirements change. I mean, we're talking about going from fundamental connectivity to life-critical connectivity, the idea of connected devices being, Fitbits to almost to defibrillators. And so it's a different emphasis, different responsibility for the whole ecosystem, the carriers, the vendors, the content players. They have a transition to make, as well as they transition from being disruptors to almost part of the establishment. So quite a lot of change that we're seeing, and our ability to manage this journey is going to be very crucial in the year ahead. Secondly, in terms of the global data traffic, it's very clear that traffic patterns are changing. The usage is going to continue to increase at a rapid rate, and indeed regulatory factors such as the EU roaming legislation is going to have an enormous impact on data traffic. And of course then it really highlights the importance of having a scalable and flexible and effective carrier network core. And this is obviously going to be the test for operators to manage. I mean, it's about meeting the customer on their own terms, and we have to make sure that we're flexible and scalable enough to do so. So it's an exciting time. I think the future is very bright for those who can embrace that change and make sure that they're scalable to meet those requirements of the market as it comes up.
Well, we'll look forward to it. Thanks very much for talking to us.
Thank you.